Huh? Ooh, what? Can't get a moment's peace.
I used to think that Christmas was about the wish list filled with stuff I never really needed anyway. But as long as we're together, it's a holiday. It's not what you get, it's what you give. We've got the spirit clear and loud. Ditch the list, hug who you're with, 'cause that's what Christmas is all about. It's what you give, not what you get. We've got the hard part figured out. This year will be the best one yet, 'cause that's what Christmas is all about. Merry Christmas from the loud.
Merry Christmas, Mr. Grouse.
We all chipped in and got you something. It's a bus ticket, so you can go see your family for Christmas tomorrow.
And since you can't be with them tonight, we're bringing our family to you.
How about it, neighbor?
Clouds! You've made this the best Christmas ever. Thank you. I'd say you all landed permanent spots on Santa's nice list.
Even me?
Even you.
Once again.
Well, what are you waiting for? Everyone inside?
There, Mr. Grouse. Now it's not so gloomy in here.
Yeah, you ruined it.
Guys, I finally made the perfect Christmas outfit. It's not for me, it's for Mr. Grouse.